Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel 9 Mantras. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. I'm Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. So today's topic is super important, especially because summer is at its peak. We are going to talk about something that can actually become life threatening if ignored. That is nothing but heat stroke. I'll also share what foods you should avoid during summer and my best tips to stay cool and healthy. So stay tuned till the end because this could literally save your life or your loved ones' lives. First, let's understand what exactly heat stroke is. Heat stroke happens when your body gets overheated, usually because of long exposure to high temperatures, and if your body fails to cool itself down. Normally, our body temperature stays around 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. But in heat stroke, it can shoot up to 104 degree Fahrenheit or even higher, and this can be dangerous. It's usually a medical emergency, I would say. If not treated quickly, it can cause damage to your brain, heart, kidneys, and muscles, and can even be fatal in extreme cases. So it's very scary, right? But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know today. So, what could be the causes of heat stroke? There are two main types. One is exertional heat stroke, which happens during intense physical activities in the hot weather. For example, it could be running, too much of gym workouts, or playing outdoor sports. And the second one is non exertional heat stroke. It happens simply due to being in a hot environment for too long without much activity, like elderly people sitting in a non air conditioned room, or babies left inside a hot car, which is very dangerous though. And other reasons include dehydration. If you're not drinking sufficient water, if it is not sufficient for your body, then you might get dehydrated. And apart from this, if you're wearing too many clothes in hot weather, if you're drinking alcohol, which dehydrates your body, certain medications like diuretics or antihistamines, or if any person is having chronic illnesses like heart disease or obesity. In short, if your body's cooling system gets overwhelmed, then you are at risk. Now, how do you recognize a heat stroke? So, let me give you some major warning signs you should never ignore. High body temperature, which is more than 100 degree Fahrenheit. Hot, red, damp skin. Rapid heartbeat, literally, you can see your heart is beating too fast. Headache, usually a throbbing one. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Nausea and vomiting. Confusion, irritability, slurred speech, seizures, or loss of consciousness, which we simply call as fainting. If one or two of these symptoms show up during extreme heat, act immediately. Okay, if someone around you has a heat stroke, what should you be doing? So, here is a simple first aid plan for you. First, move the person to a cooler place immediately. It could be a shade, air conditioned room, or even under the fan. Call for emergency medical help. Do not delay. Cool the body down quickly. Remove excess clothing. Use cool, wet clothes or sponge the body with cold water. You can also place ice packs under the armpits, neck, and groin. Offer cool water only if the person is conscious and alert. Never force water if they are semi conscious or vomiting. Stay with them and keep cooling their body until help arrives. Remember, time is very critical. The sooner the body temperature drops, the better chances of recovery. Now, coming to an equally important part, that is, food you should avoid during summer to keep yourself cool and healthy. First thing is fried and oily foods. These are very heavy, hard to digest, and generate more internal heat. Caffeinated drinks like coffee or even strong tea, they can dehydrate you. Sugary sodas and packed juices. This may seem refreshing, but they spike your sugar levels and add empty calories. High protein meats. This can rise body temperature during digestion. Spicy foods. Excess spicy can cause inflammation and digestion issues. Excess salty snacks can lead to dehydration. So, the rule here is very simple: eat light, fresh, and hydrating foods during summer. And finally, here are my best summer survival tips. These are super simple but super effective. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Eat cooling foods like cucumbers, watermelon, muskmelon, mint, and yogurt. Wear loose cotton clothes. Light colors reflect heat better. Remember this. Avoid going out between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is when the sun is strongest. You can use a very good sunscreen with SPF between 30 to 50 if stepping outside. Carry a water bottle and an umbrella or a cap when going outdoors. Just listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, stop and just rest immediately. So, I've got a pro tip here as well. You can just make a small packet of homemade ORS, nothing but oral rehydration solution. It can be a lifesaver. It's very simple, just a pinch of salt, sugar, and clean water. That's it. Just keep this handy during summers, and hydration is very, very crucial. That's everything you need to know about heat stroke, foods to avoid, and how to keep yourself safe and healthy this summer. Remember, summer is a beautiful season, but we need to be little extra careful. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments how you are keeping cool this summer. I would love to hear tips from your side too. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.